Motorola is killing it this year. You have an 8.1-inch 2K display that unfolds into a tablet, a 6.6-inch cover display so large you really need to open the phone. Three 50-megapixel cameras built to capture flagship quality photos. The all-new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor delivering next-level performance, and a massive 6,000 milliamp battery that just keeps going and going and going. If you are feeling energized, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more cool, awesome content like this. This is Motorola Razr Fold, and Motorola isn't just entering the foldable race, they're trying to redefine it. The question is, does this have what it takes to be the biggest name in the industry and become the new king of foldables? Well, I guess we're going to find out. So let's go ahead and talk about the hardware. The Razr Fold has a lot to offer, but let's talk about the design and the build quality. Right away, the Razr Fold feels premium. When it's unfolded, it's only 4.6 milliliters thick, making it one of the slimmest foldable phones available. But when it's folded shut, it feels thin and premium. Motorola Fold also improved its durability with IP48 and IP49 water and dust resistance. The cover display is protected by Gorilla Glass Ceramic 3, giving you added confidence for everyday use. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where Razr Fold really starts to impress. On the outside, you're getting a massive 6.6-inch LTPO OLED cover display with a smooth 165 Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support. It has an incredible 6,000 nit peak brightness, and honestly, this isn't just a notification screen. It's large enough to comfortably answer messages, browse social media, watch videos, and use most of your favorite apps without ever opening the phone. But when you open it up, the true glory starts. You're greeted by a stunning 8.1-inch 2K LTPO OLED display running at 120 Hz with HDR10 Plus, Dolby Vision, and an eye-watering 6,200 nits peak brightness. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, streaming Netflix, or multitasking with the apps, this display is absolutely gorgeous. And it also has a Motorola pen, which lets you write on your display and use air commands. And to own this, you have to pay an extra $100. So that's up to you. Now, this is when things get interesting. This is the first book-style foldable in the West to bring a massive, and I'm talking about a 6,000 milliamp silicon carbon battery, which is significantly larger than the Z Fold and the Pixel Fold phones. Not only that, the charging speeds are insane. We're talking about 80 watts of wire charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and even 5 watts of reverse charging, letting you top off your earbuds or your smartphone directly on the phone. And you know what else can charge up fast? It's the subscribe button and the like button. So go ahead and hit it, and hit it. Now, one thing about the Motorola Fold, it's about the performance. And this thing powers everything by using the newest Qualcomm, newest Snapdragon 8 5G. And it's built on a cutting-edge 3-nanometer process, which is why the display is so smooth. It's also paired with a 16 gigs of LPDDR5X of RAM and 512 gigs of UFS 4.1 storage. Your Motorola Fold is built for serious performance, like multitasking 3 applications at once. It's far more useful than trying to cram everything like the Galaxy Z Fold. And you have an AI button that lets you turn on Moto AI on or off. Using the double press lets you use features like catch me up or pay attention voice recorder. You also have some really cool gestures like chop chop for your flash, flip for your wrist for the camera, or place 3 fingers on your phone to take a screenshot, and the list goes on. Now, one of the things that's very impressive about the Motorola Fold is its cameras. Now, the cameras are very impressive and they didn't cut corners. On the back, you get an impressive triple camera system with 50 megapixel sensors. The main camera features Sony's Latia 828 sensor with optical image stabilization, helping deliver sharper photos and better low light performance. You also get a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and OIS, giving you detailed zoom shots without heavily relying on digital cropping. Then there's a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera with a 122-degree field of view, which also doubles as a macro vision lens for getting incredibly close to your subject. For selfies, Motorola includes a 32 megapixel camera on the inner display and a 20 megapixel camera on a cover screen. Now, sitting after utilizing this phone and having a wonderful experience, I mean, my experience has been great. It has been great. And Samsung should, take a page from Motorola, set up a Google, especially when it comes to the battery life, because the battery life capabilities is everything, and even improve the multitasking screens where apps are displayed. This phone is solid. It's not perfect, but it's definitely solid. And as I said already, I definitely recommend getting this phone. It's a solid, crisp phone. Now, if you have any questions, one, how much it costs? This phone will run you about $1,800. And if you get it right time, you get a free 125 watt charger and some free earbuds. So check the website, and I'll link everything in the description below with a link. But again, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely get back with you. Well, that's it for me, guys. Remember, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button. If you browsing by, hit that like button. And if you really like my content and other content similar, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Well, that's it for me, guys. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.